like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt?
Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So I do use these leg stockings for my ball caps, and you do want to get the plus size. So make sure you are getting that whenever you are buying like your ball caps, if you want to use this kind of material. So I'm going to be doing a review on the Outre melted hairline wig. I did get this unit right here. This is going to be the stock card up close. It is KAMIYAH. It is in the color 1B. It is their HD transparent lace, and then you do get the unit. It does come with the frontal effect, so you are gonna just have almost like a T-part kind of wig, and then it has the frontal along the side, and then it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And then this is the unit in different colors. So as you can see, this one is going to be a middle part, and then in the back they do just have the different colors that this wig does come in. This is the unit straight out of the package. So it does have a natural yaki texture, which I'm excited about. I was scared it's gonna be a silky texture, which I don't really prefer, but it's a natural yaki, so I do love it. It does have like the curls on the ends, and then it is kind of straight. So you are going to get the two combs that are going to be right here by your parting. You do get the comb in the back, and then of course it comes with the elastic band. And like I said, it's gonna be a middle part, and then the middle part does look good. You are gonna get the HD transparent lace. It does have a tint to it, so it is a light brown. And then of course you do get the baby hairs, as you can see. This is what the unit is looking like on and starting out. I think this is a gorgeous unit. I am getting some shedding with this unit, but as I keep running my hands through it, it's kind of going away. But it looks so freaking good. You do get these layers that are going to be in the hair, so it kind of gives the hair volume, and then the texture is like a natural yaki texture, so it's like on point. Like there isn't any shine coming from this unit. Like it looks like a natural shine. It looks very pretty. You do get baby hairs, as you can see right here along the hairline, and then also they do provide sideburns as well. I think I done brushed them in, but so like yeah, right here you do get sideburns. With this unit, I am noticing that it is over my ear, so I am gonna probably cut a pretty good chunk out along the sides. It's like that on both sides. And then also they do have it curved around, which is bomb. If you don't have a low hairline, this is not gonna be a problem for you, but I have a low hairline and my hair kind of curves a little bit further up, and then they have it like right here. So I might have to go ahead and pluck that out, but that is what it looks like if I kind of pull it. So as you can see, that's where mine starts at, and then it kind of curves right there. So I might be just able to kind of just pull the unit a little bit further on my head, and it should be okay. But yeah, this is what the unit looks like. Like she is giving body with this unit. Very, very freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lace. I'm gonna be using a CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the shade 765 Tiny. I'm gonna put this on my lace as well as on the ball cap. Listen, after I said HD lace, and that was period, I haven't even cut off the lace, and look how good it has blended by just foundation. Like, do y'all see that? You see right here, I didn't put no foundation in right here. How it looks like it melts into the skin, and we haven't even applied any holding spray or nothing to cover that up. So this is what it is looking like. Of course I did pull the baby hairs back, so whenever you do that, it kind of makes the hairline look a little bit not plucked. So yeah, you do just have to pull those out. For me, I am gonna go ahead and pluck this unit. So this is what it looks like right now, and then you will see what it looks like in 0.25 seconds. So listen, a little plucking ain't hurt nobody, girl. All I did was take out just the front just a little bit, and look how good that is. Like, it's already plucked for you, so you really don't have to pluck, but I kind of want mine plucked a little bit more because I think I want my baby hairs to be a little bit more extra on this unit, so I did want to pluck it a little bit further back. But girl, look at this unit, it's so freaking bomb. So the only thing that I don't like is right here. I think this is supposed to be like the little ear tab, but it doesn't. I think it's supposed to like be like an ear tab, crumple tab, I don't know, but it's showing. So I'm just gonna take my foundation brush. This just has whatever was left over from the foundation, and I'm just gonna run that through there because I did pluck that hairline. So the hairline is gonna be basically like the lace color, so I'm just gonna go back over it with my foundation brush. This right here is how much I'm gonna pluck right now. Usually I'll pluck a little bit, then when I go ahead and lay it down, we're gonna have to pluck some more, but it might not have to. Like I said, you see this right here, that's like the only downfall, so you got to be careful if you plucking over here. That's like the only downfall, so I might have to go through that with some powder just to make sure that's not showing, or like a little black marker or something. But yeah, so that is what it is looking like, and that's gonna irk the hell out of my nerves. Let me see if I can put like a little bit of foundation right there. So it's still there. Oh girl, it is gonna kill my vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this side, and then when I take the unit off, I'm gonna see if this could be cut out, because that right there is just gonna irk my doggone nerves. I ain't got time for it. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the center. So I'm going to cut right here in the center. With this unit, I do have to pull it down on each side so that it will kind of go down where my ball cap method is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mold down the baby hairs. And I'm gonna use what I used in my last video. I did use the Murray's edge wax, and it is like this. And then I did mix it with my Got To Be Glued, and I used the black bottle. I'm gonna start off with the edge wax just to see what it looks like, because I really don't want them kind of hard melted down, but then again, I might just do that. So yes, let's get into this. I think this right here is the best part, because this is when the wig starts to come alive. Okay, so I did my baby hairs another way, and oh my god, like I'm gonna have to get some like footage like outside, because it looks like human hair, baby hairs, baby. It looks so freaking good. Oh wow, it looks so freaking good. I think I put just a smidget too much mousse. I did use just regular mousse, but I'm gonna try like the sculpting like for curly hair, because that kind of has like a little extra hold on the in it. The one I had, it didn't have like really like a big hold in it, so I think that's why I didn't. They look like bomb, but I want to try like a sculpting mousse because girl, it looks so freaking good. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I do use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it is in the shade Cafe. So I am using the color 362 Truffle. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. So let me start off by saying Miss Outre KAMIYAH, baby. She is so freaking gorgeous and full. I freaking love this unit. To start off, the density, so it stops about right here. So on me, that is probably about 22 inches on me. I do want to say it's not too long at all. It's really not too long. It has layers, so it kind of helps even it out. As far as the hair texture, it is a natural yaki hair texture. The hair, it doesn't have a shine to it, so it is full, like it's a natural density, but it is a gorgeous density. On this unit, I did go ahead and pluck this unit. It is pre-plucked for you, and they do have baby hairs, and they have the sideburns and everything for you. Those are not even too long to even finesse if you want to just keep them the way they are. So this unit is so beginner friendly. Yeah, you did see me apply the foundation, and it just melts into your skin after you apply that foundation. Like, the lace is so freaking flawless. With this unit, I did do my baby hairs a different way. I did use some of the Murray's beeswax or whatever it's called, and then I did use some mousse. If you do try that, make sure to actually use gel to do your ball cap. I only used the holding spray, and so underneath it kind of came up a little bit. So make sure if you do try it at home, you do use a gel to hold down your wig cap so that it doesn't roll back when doing it. Also putting like gel underneath instead of the holding spray, because once again I just sprayed this unit down with hairspray. Usually I'll put both. I'll use the gel and the hairspray, but I only use the hairspray, so it did kind of lift up and separate from the wig cap. So that was the only thing about that, because I used that mousse and it kind of, you know, lifted it up. So I love my baby hairs came out. They look like they're slicked down, but they're not. They're like flowy and moving, so they look very pretty. I did pluck this part because to me it was a little bit tight, especially back here. It gets real tight. My only con that I'm gonna have is towards the ends. As you can see when I run my hands through it, it is tangling up just a little bit, like it's a little bit rough. And then also my curls, they kind of fall out, like it goes straight. I don't know where the curls went to, so I do have to keep playing with it just to kind of bring the curls back. But other than that, this right here is a gorgeous unit, and for the price point, you really can't too much complain about it, because on some sites it's as low as $33. It's low. So and it's like period under $40. I think on most sites it's under $40. So this is a gorgeous unit. I see what all the hype was about with this unit, and gorgeous, freaking gorgeous. So So I will leave the links down below on where you can find and purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments that I did not answer, leave those down below, and I will get back to y'all in another tutorial. So